All right, Brew Crew, welcome back to the Monday edition of the Trade Update. It's going to be pretty short and sweet here. There's really only one position that is of interest, and that is Apple. We entered that today. I got the 530-560 by 2 call ratio a couple hours after the open when the calls were still a bit inflated. Paid a slight debit for it, and wow, the premiums drained from those far out of the money calls because all Apple did was go sideways. I also decided to make an adjustment to the ratio. I ended up rolling one of the short 560 calls down to 550, so now I'm left with a long call vertical and a naked short 560 call. The reason was that if Apple decided it was just going to stay down here for the rest of the week, my chances of making an adjustment that allows me to take a credit overall for this trade and still gets me a juicy wide profit zone with a high upside break even, my chances of getting all of that decreases. So I'd rather just do it now. Okay, so upside break even on this spread now is a strike of the naked short call 560 plus the maximum value of the long call vertical, which is 20, which turns out to be, 560 plus 20 or 580. Still a good ways away. Of course, if Apple rips like 30 points to the upside tomorrow, then I'll be evaluating whether or not I'll need to adjust, okay? Look, you have to trust me when I tell you that I don't just put on a trade and then right afterwards go to the prayer room till Friday only to come back to shit my pants, okay? I'll be making adjustments throughout the duration of the trade if I need to. So far, these Apple call ratios have been treating us really well. It's almost getting pretty boring how rinse and repeaty it is. So I actually am looking forward to any adjustments down the road. I think that'll actually be where the educational value is. Some other traders in the chat room were able to get a 525-551 by 2 call ratio early on as well for a small credit or debit. Others came up with other ways to reduce that cost as the spread expanded due to premium drain. Again, all very solid strategies. That's what we like to see. More details in the chat room. And taking a look at some of our other positions here, Chewy, not much happening, just still sideways trying to figure out a direction. Again, we're still in the long call vertical with zero cost. We started off with a calendar for a small debit, knocked that debit down and turned it into this vertical that we have now. So there's no downside risk at all. If Chewy rips to 60 plus, yay, home run. If not, small win. Okay, pays for our next trade, which is Costco. We have a 365 call calendar with a long leg 18 days till expiration and short leg 11 days till expiration. We'll see what happens. Still plenty of time to knock this debit down. And that's pretty much it. New folks, welcome to the channel. You'll see me post updates like this on positions that I entered and tweeted out typically every day. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. It's all free. We share our thoughts and analysis and trades and setups, entries, exits, all that good stuff, all that good commentary, all those good vibes. All right. But for now, stay safe, Brew Crew, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.